Have you ever found yourself saying, I'll start tomorrow? Tomorrow comes and somehow you push it again, saying, maybe next week? That has been my story for way too long. I'd always had plans to prioritize my health, to get stronger, to feel better. But life had other plans. Work, stress, excuses, you name it. I'll say mainly excuses, probably because of the fear of having to put in the work, because I know going to the gym is not a one-time thing, but a series of consistency to get the desired result. But then I had this moment. I looked in the mirror, not just at my reflection, but at my life. I realized that if I don't start now, when will I start? I wasn't just postponing the gym, I was postponing the life that I wanted. I was tired of being tired, of feeling like my best days were always tomorrow. So, I made a decision. I finally registered for a gym. First step was the hardest, but I took it. I joined a gym not for anyone else, but for myself, for the version of me I've been waiting to become. It wasn't just about looking like the strongest person there, it was about showing up, starting, and giving myself permission to not be perfect, but to try. And it's not about being the best on day one, it's about showing up, learning, and celebrating even the small wins. Hey, your body is shaking.
Sorry.
I don't know who sent me here. Who sent me here? Nobody. I came by myself. I say I want to lose weight. And I sent myself. Okay, we're finishing doing back. So I want to do abs now. I want to start doing abs soon. So I don't know if I'm ready yet. So guys, today is Saturday. So I'm meant to be, I registered for a gym. Thanks be to God. So I started to come in on Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, Friday. So I thought I would be treadmill. I'm sure you guys saw like the video. I did like up to like 35 minutes. I burnt over like 160 calories. Let's see where this one takes me, honestly. So I'm trying to like lose weight. Yeah, I'm currently weighing like 75 kg like in weight. Let me see if I can get to like 70. I did a lot of treadmill exercise. I think I just need more of like aerobics and abs. That's my goal with the exercise. After that, we went to do some. I'm not sure I regretted it. Yeah, I don't think I regretted it for you guys. But yeah, I did that. I just been doing like the other one that you guys saw me doing, you know. So yeah, it's a chill Saturday morning and I am at the gym trying to like keep healthy. Breakfast coming now, starting abs. It's time to go first. Yeah, so I went ahead to continue the abs, which was so challenging, you guys. But I'm happy though, because like every drops of sweat is a step closer to the me that I want to be. The one who doesn't just dream, but does. If I can do it, you can too. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start where you are and with what you have. You deserve to feel your best, live your best life. Not next month, but today. So here is me challenging you. So what have you been putting off? Maybe it's not the gym. Maybe it's something else in your life. Maybe something that you have been dreaming of starting. Whatever it is, don't just stay there and wait. Don't wait for a magical moment, or you're waiting for your best time, you're waiting for the right time, you're waiting for you to be so sure. Just go at it, you know, start somewhere, baby steps, and see how it goes from there. Before you know, you've made a lot of progress. Yeah, taking a lot of steps, and then you realize that it wasn't really so bad after all. Like the overthinking wasn't even that big of a deal. You know, when you start doing those things that you have been pushing off, you have to realize that there's actually not so much here. But saying that is going to be like, so it's just like how it's can see me now. I was in severe pain. Oh my god, I was like, oh my god, who sent me here? But I know that all these things I'm doing is for a higher good, it's for a higher health. And I believe that when you take the step, or when you take the chance to start so that thing that you're having later, it gets easier on the way. You get more used to it, and it doesn't hurt as it will in the beginning. So take your first step and trust in the process, trust in your result that you're wanting to get, and you know it gets easier from there. So stop procrastinating, start today. Your future self will thank you. Every day, always the same.